Dear friends, we have received a couple of updates from MOM. It's regarding the VTL travel lane people. So it's a very important for the whoever is traveling under VTL lane. So which is December 2nd onwards whoever traveling and December 6th onwards is traveling. So some of the ART tests they have to take a mandatory for the few days which they have mentioned, and we are going to see about that. And next, work permit people who are having the work permit and S pass holders. Few updates for them. They cannot travel under a VTL lane going forward. So how they can travel, that is also we will see in this video. And then now we will go to that VTL travel. What are they have updated? From the December 2nd onwards, whoever I mean the midnight onwards, whoever is traveling, they have to go under ART test. From once they traveled day 3rd and day 7 they have to take the ART test. Similarly, from 6th December onwards, I mean the midnight, whoever traveling, so they have to go ART test from 2nd, 4th, 5th and 6th day after they arrived. So these are the ART tests where they have to go mandatory, and some of the tests they have it's a mandatory supervised test, so which they will happen on day 3rd or day 7. So this is applicable for whoever is traveling under a VTL lane from 6th December onwards, I mean the midnight onwards. So once the ART test if you are taking, you will get a link where you have to update the ART test results. So you have to take the ART test in a combined test center or a quick test centers. So these are the new update which has been updated from MOM. And the supervised test you should get negative, so it may happen on a day 3rd or day 7 I think so. So both the days you have to take. So this is a mandatory things which has been updated. It will be happen January 2nd. These are the tests which will happen for the whoever is arriving under a VTL lane. So people who are traveling under VTL lane, be safe, and you have to cooperate with that all the tests, and we need to submit everything. And one more thing I need to update, few countries has been added as a high risk country from December 6. So Bulgaria, Hungary, Ireland, Norway and Poland. Next update for work permit holder. Whoever is a work permit holder and S pass holder and working under the construction and marine shipyard and then process sector, they will not be applicable for vaccinated travel lane from December 4th midnight onwards. So whoever got approval before midnight, so they can travel, which is a sad news for them, but still they can travel under the work permit lane, because still the work permit lane is opened for work pass holders and then S pass holder, which is applicable only for the construction and then marine sector and then process sector people only. So whoever the under work pass people, so they have to seek a help from the respective industry or agency to get a approval to entry in a Singapore. Okay guys, thank you so much. So I think this news will be helpful for you. So for further details I gave in a description, please go and check a description. You can get a clarification. If you still have any doubts, please try to contact your industry or MOM or ICA and try to get the information from them. So better based on that you can proceed your travel. This will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching a video. Please subscribe it. Bye bye. Take care.